a bar behind you. If you pop your feet either side of it and then try to lean back as much as you can.
Lean back?
Yes. That's it. So you pop your hands on here below the device. That's it, nice one.
Not the usual feeling.
So with this, it's gonna make a little sound.
Yeah,
That's it. Lean backwards.
Yeah.
You good?
That's it. Lean backwards. Keep leaning backwards. That's it. And now slowly start lowering yourself. There you go. Lovely. That's it. Well done, Kimmy.
No, we need to step down.
Okay. You keep your legs straight. Keep your legs straight.
Yeah.
You're right.
I'm scared.
Okay.
It's kind of natural to be scared.
Can I look at the camera?
Hey! You'll love it once you get going.
I'm terrified.
So underneath here.
Okay. If you lower yourself a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit more.
You ready? Step down.
That's it. Okay. You're gonna
I do
stop
with
there.
my
Yes. Can you see the big grill edge under the platform? If you step on it.
Yep.
Fudge.
Take it easy. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I'm just stop.
So what you're going to
Okay. If you lower yourself, keep walking down the wall.
do is take your feet off. So go a bit lower first, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna stop there again. You're gonna bend your knees, come closer to the platform. Take one hand off the rope, one hand off. With the same arm, you're gonna reach towards the platform. Towards the platform.
Yeah.
And you're gonna drop the same foot, okay?
Alright.
Yes, whenever you're ready, drop the same foot that you are sticking on the arm. That's it. Nice one. Hands back on the rope. That's it. And now just have a look around and enjoy it, okay?
Oh,
If you
okay.
try to do with your left one, Kimmy, with the left arm, if you go underneath the black rope, underneath the black rope, under, that's it.
Okay.
Nice one.
Just go gently overhand over it.
Alright.
Just,
Brilliant. Well done, guys. Have
there
fun.
you go. Yeah, we will.
Thank you.
Oh, look, I'm on the tube.
Oh, wow. Woohoo! Want to turn around? We're allowed to turn around?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Oh.
Mind you don't bash into the...
Watch all the glass, Kimmy, okay? Make sure they don't get stuck in the device.
Okay.
This is pretty cool. Are you enjoying it yet?
Yeah, I'm very overwhelmed. I'm just
Woohoo!
embracing London.
This is embracing London.
Woo!
It's like,
Oh my god.
yeah, this is pretty cool. So this is the moment Dermot should be looking out the window.
Oh right. Wait, let's see if we can see the office. Where's the office?
That's surreal.
Kimmy, keep your hands lower down the rope for me.
Yeah.
That's it.
Wow.
You good?
Yeah. I love this. Look how high up we are. Oh my god.
Pretty straight, I would say. You hear the people screaming in the slide.
Oh! Look, you can see the whole stadium on the inside as well.
You hear the people screaming in the slide. You can see them if you look at the windows.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
this is cool. I'd like to twist round more. I'm not going to twist around.
Oh, me. It's hard. There's nothing to push ourselves off of.
You've got a very good view of the slide.
I mean, there's also the view of all of London, but we're focused on the slide. Oh.
It's pretty surreal, I have
I can't believe we're doing this. This is so cool.
to say. It's alright, isn't it?
Right down there.
Keep both hands on the rope. Guys.
Shit. Ooh. What a bridge. Oh, the river. See the river.
Whoa, so we're probably about halfway down, you know. I don't know.
Oh
Yeah.
shit, my hand.
You can hear someone going down the slide.
No screams yet. Oh. I'm gonna turn this way. this is me now.
Have you pointed your GoPro downwards? Like, look down at the ground so you get a bit of a view of what it's like going down.
All right. Yeah, I can't imagine doing this drunk.
I think that would be very smart. It's interesting they say they turned 2 people away earlier.
No, I can imagine your hand getting caught in this
Yeah,
easily.
You can, can't you? You've got to kind of take it easy.
100%. Oh.
It's cream.
Yeah. Plot twist, they're fully grown men.
Ice cream, I don't mind. It's fun screaming.
Oh.
Wait, sorry. I'll go too fast now. It gets very hot. The rope will get very hot if you go very fast.
Oh no, I don't want to. I don't want this to end just yet.
Ah, quite. It's not like anything else you've done, is it?
No.
I mean, I've done a lot of stuff, but it's unlike anything else I've done.
I'm trying to think, like, the wildest thing I've done this year is probably snowboarding.
Yeah, I'm a big snowboarder.
Really?
Yeah, I've been snowboarding since I invented it.
Have you been to the dry slopes in Brentwood or Milton
No, I've
Keynes?
never been. I've been skiing on the dry slope. No, snowboarding. We go every year. It's like it started in about 1988.
Okay.
So snowboarding is yeah, it's my thing.
Surely before 1988 they had the idea of like getting
No,
some sort of
literally
tray.
not.
Or...
We hired the first boards in the resort.
Oh gosh. Where was this? Like...
Les Arcs in France.
Oh wow, we've got like the Alps. And...
Yeah, it's my favourite French Alps.
Richard, are you an Aquarius by any chance? Ah, that makes sense. Sagittarius are like Sagittarius and Aquarius and Aries are known for being outdoorsy and very love trying new things. Wait, the purple ones are one.
Like waving very easy. It's a shame about the magazine. I mean, you could see at the top there, that was the difficult bit, wasn't it?
I'm trying to see if we can see anyone from the 6th floor window.
Well, you can just see a reflection, really, can't you?
Ah. Wave anyway. You never know.
This is good.
Oh no, we're
Everyone
nearly
else is missing out so much.
They should be up here. Oh god. Okay.
Should we go back up? Do you want to go back
Can we? Oh. No, that'd be quite strenuous actually.
Impossible. I don't think it works. Because it's gravity that's letting you go down.
Unless you have like crazy upper body strength.
Spin up, spin up.
Do we get to go again? Or is it just the one?
Get a freebie just because, well, they got no one else, have they? So. I can't believe it, it's nearly over.
Oh no! Let's savoring it.
But you're going to do the slide.
Yeah.
That was actually just as good.
Need the adrenaline.
Whoa!
So I find that fun.
Seem to put your feet on top.
Oh,
If you just, I'm gonna.
Get over to the own here, isn't it? Yeah. No, that's good.
Ground to platform would go to lower and use black boat. Lower.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck. That's
I'm
it.
just hanging.
See you tomorrow.
At least I'm not stuck up there.
No, we can't lower.
Please don't just unclip me.
Change the rope.